This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. If you're looking for an SUV that's roomy, dependable, and fuel efficient, check out this 2023 Ford Escape Active. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It's just like new. It's got crazy low miles. Around back, lots and lots of cargo room. Dual exhaust outlets. Power lift gate. Backup camera. Rear wiper. Rear spoiler. Great looking 17-inch alloy wheels with Michelin tires. Plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to rear air vents and dual USB charging ports. It's carbonized gray metallic with ebony interior. Factory tinted windows, color keyed door handles, contrasting black mirror caps. Around front, daytime running lights, LED headlights. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry. Bucket seats, power seat, all-weather mats throughout. Power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot warning located in your rear view mirror. Power liftgate controls, automatic headlight controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got cruise, lane keep, audio controls, Bluetooth, and trip computer functions. Here's the best part. Less than 9,000, one owner, well cared for miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera. Dual zone climate control, more USB ports, 12-volt outlet, rotary shifter, keyless entry key fob including power liftgate release, quick reference guide, Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Ford Escape Active, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.